First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
The sun is finally shining here in Bowling Green and much of southern Kentucky, but you head east out toward the Lake Cumberland area, Dale Huddle Lake, still getting some clouds and even some leftover showers. This system just not in a hurry to get out of here. There you see First Alert live Doppler radar. No thunderstorm activity, just some rain showers left over, at least in that area of the Cumberland Plateau. There's Albany in Clinton County, which has just continued to get wave after wave of rainfall. And some of this rainfall has been very heavy over the last couple of days. And you got rid of one shower, and here comes another one out of the Byrdstown, Tennessee area that's driving right up US 127. So get ready. 111 and 127 going to get wet again with some rain showers. But eventually, this is slowly pushing off to the east. Even though the individual showers are lifting northward, this entire system is pushing off to the east. So you may not see a lot of sunshine down there in Clinton County today, but tomorrow certainly you will. There have been some impressive rainfall totals in your area there of Albany and Clinton County. Let's take a look at those totals now. 1.72, almost another inch and 3/4 just today there in the Albany area. That's all. These are numbers here from midnight to right now. Almost 6/10 of an inch there in Burkesville. Nothing here in Bowling Green or to the west, since a lot of this system is now east of us and moving into central and eastern Kentucky. But some of you will pick up just a little bit more rain before it all comes to an end. And the temperatures have cooled down. We're mostly in the 60s, as you see. 64 Munfordville, 62 Hodgenville, 61s for Edmonton and Columbia, and with the rain over in Albany, 60 degrees there. And we've recovered from being in the upper 40s this morning off to our northwest to being back into the low 60s now that the sun is out in some of our western counties. And the winds are mostly from the west at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Beautiful shot now from our AAA Systems Doppler cam as we're seeing mainly fair weather clouds and some blue skies, some sunshine. It's a nice change over the last couple of days with that big storm system. It's been nothing but rainy and storming, so this is good to see. 64 right now. South-southwest wind coming in at 4 miles per hour. The dew point kind of slacking off just a bit now. We're getting a nice spread between the air temperature and the dew point temperature, so that means a little less in the way of humid air and a little less moisture in the atmosphere. In fact, things are drying out nicely back west of us. Greenville at 61 after starting at 46. There's the updated picture with the fair sky over the area. Some clouds up in Litchfield, but mainly sunny. Your temperature is at 59. Mammoth Cave National Park seeing a mainly sunny sky. Temperature at 64. Look at the Green River. It is way up with all the copious rainfall that we've had over the last several days with that big system that continues to push off to the east. You can still see some wraparound moisture back toward Kansas City, some light rain going on there, but for all intents and purposes, this system is pulling out and getting away from us. Still some thick clouds out east. We're getting a break of sunshine here. We may see a few clouds drifting in and out of south central Kentucky for the rest of the afternoon and this evening, and maybe even a few clouds tomorrow. But the main energy with this system, the severe weather threat, certainly is all over. While it's 73 in Knoxville, Tennessee, it's 63 here. And then you go back towards St. Louis, it's only 50 degrees. We're pacing 10 degrees cooler than we were at midday yesterday. That's the difference that cold front has certainly made. And now all the heavy rains will be out east of that system. The cooler flow from the west will continue to be with us today, tonight, and really tomorrow, because we'll be on the east side of that ridge of high pressure. A mix of sun and clouds at times during the day tomorrow, and temperatures still in the 60s. And with some of that leftover energy, there could be a stray shower, maybe a renegade thunderstorm on Friday. But besides that, things are going to be much quieter, and then we're going to see a nice warm up as we get into the weekend. Partly sunny today, breezy and cooler. And for those of you over toward the Lake Cumberland area, showers still for a little while longer, but then tapering off. 68 this afternoon, then down to a cool 44 for an overnight low tonight. Tomorrow we'll make it back to only about 64, but a mostly sunny sky. Same goes for Friday, and there's that stray chance of a shower. 71 on Saturday, 77 for Sunday, and then warming into the 80s both Monday and Tuesday. Derby Day looks good, so it does for the Mini Corvette Challenge here in Bowling Green. So whether you're headed to Churchill Downs or you're staying here at home on Saturday, everything looking good weather-wise. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.